everyone, welcome to the Body Beatdown.
What's going on, guys? How's everybody doing today? I'm doing well, thank you for asking. Body Beatdown here, Michael, on this Saturday early afternoon. Just getting out for a quick little bike ride. And trying not to get killed by dogs. And vehicles. So, I just did a walk and talk a few minutes ago and got that video edited and uploaded. Hope you enjoy it. Go check it out. Just talk about a couple little things. Again, no big plans for my ride here, just going whatever distance I go. Don't really care. I think I'm going in a circle. I don't know my own neighborhood. Where the heck am I? Probably going in a circle. I don't know. That's funny. I think I am. I just went in a circle. Good grief. I can take that road and go to my house, or I may come out of my house here. I don't know. Never know. Like I said, I did a circle. There's my stupid house. Oh well, let's go up here by the high school. You know, it's still just kind of blows my mind. I used to do this like 5, 6, 7 days a week. No less than 12 miles. Sometimes, or most of the time, my rides were between 12 and 15 miles. And a lot of my rides were between like 15 and 20. And then there were the days when I'd go 40, and then I have went as much as 100 miles in a day. I used to just do it all the time. It's crazy. Crazy. There's a high school. High school I went to. Of course, they've added on a lot and done a lot of stuff since I went there, but So this is the house just right over here by the high school. It's one of the more highly decorated ones. Can't really see it as much in the day as you can at nighttime, of course. That's pretty cool. I might get out and try and get a picture or a video or something in the nighttime. We'll go down the road a little ways, and there's another house that's even more decorated. So alright, normally I don't ride on sidewalks, but this is the best way to get over here to get close to this house. That's pretty cool. Let me see if I can get across the road. Yep, we're good. So we'll pull in here to the city park. Literally a spot I hit almost every single bike ride. There's a splash pad. Of course, it's closed now. Personally, I think they closed down a little early in the season, but it is what it is. And I don't know what that is. Whatever it is. And that cemetery over there, I used to go around it almost every single bike ride. Cemetery is a good place to ride because not a lot of traffic. I've not been back here in a long time. I'm gonna watch it. Oh. Of course, this is a nice trail to walk or ride or whatever. And also, you got part of the disc golf course all back through here. So, and my shoulder was horrible before then, and it got really bad once I tried that. Those of you that have been around long enough, you know the story. I'm hard-headed. Hard-headed with a soft shoulder. How you doing? Right behind you. How y'all doing? Doing good. Yep, nice little place to ride. I've missed it. Good little hill right here we're fixing it to go up. And just like that, we got it. And there's our famous Eiffel Tower. So I guess I'm giving you guys a little bit of a tour. Of course, I have a million videos out there on my other channel. Me going through here. New playground over there. It's also got some handicap accessible stuff. And these wonderful things here. Hey, I wonder if they'll charge up my phone. Alright, we're gonna backtrack, head towards home. So I won't do a lot more filming. We'll wait till we get closer to home. So here we are, close to home. It's where you always see me when I'm walking, coming through here. So, pretty good little ride. Don't know how far I went. Probably 5 or 6 miles or so. I don't know. I'll be able to tell once I look at my Strava. Pretty good little quick ride. Beautiful day. That's what it's about, guys. Health and fitness is more than just lifting a weight. Health and fitness is being active. And it's having a controlled, decent diet. So let's get in the driveway and then we'll sign out. How about that? Oh God, I can't stop. Come on. Whew. Had a little bit of weighted momentum there. You guys, hope you appreciate the videos, the channel. Check everything out. Whew. I put in a lot of hard work for this channel, and not just for myself, you know, to hold myself accountable. It helps, but to help other people, and I think that should be our main goal. And in the health and fitness realm, I think we should be out there to help others and to inspire others, because this is one of the hardest things you're ever going to do, is try to take care of yourself, which is weird. But anyway, guys, please like, share, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff to the Body Beatdown. That's me, Michael, your incredible host. And get up, get out, get rad. Do it to it, and we'll see you next time on the Body Beatdown. See y'all later. Bye.
Get up, get out, get rad, and do it to it!